Greetings, Green Thumb Gardening family. I'd unleash back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. And once again, we're back here in our backyard food forest here. I'm bringing you guys back here this evening because in this evening's video, we're going to be harvesting this huge stalk of bananas from this giant Cabernet banana plant here in our backyard food forest. We're kind of long overdue on harvesting these bananas. We left these bananas on this plant a lot longer than we typically would leave a stalk of bananas on the tree once they fully develop and swell. We actually left these bananas on the tree a little bit longer than we normally would because it's been raining so much. It's been raining. And finally our dry season set in here. It grows on 8B in Tifton, Georgia. We're expecting dry weather from now until probably Thanksgiving. It'll be bone dry here and just bone dry and just desert storm dry here for the next month or so here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. At any rate, I'm going to get up on this little makeshift table I have here and give you guys a close-up view of these bananas here before I actually harvest them. You guys can see they're a little long overdue to be harvested here. We've actually got a little bit of pest issues going on here. You guys can see that's actually pest issues going on here. I have a few spots on these bananas. But once we get this stalk of bananas harvested, we'll thoroughly wash this stalk down. It'll remove a lot of that, what looks like mold or build up there. It'll remove a lot of that. We'll take these stalk of bananas on the inside, dry them thoroughly before we allow them to begin to ripen inside in a cool, dimly lit room inside of our home. At any rate, I'm going to have to actually mount my camera on my tripod down here. And once I move away from this tripod, you guys are not going to be able to hear me that good. My microphone is actually mounted on my tripod. So once I move away from my tripod, you guys won't be able to hear me that good, but I won't be saying very much anyway once I move away from my tripod. I'm just going to get up here. I'm going to whack off this leaf here, which is actually in our way. I'm going to whack off this top leaf up here, which is actually laid up against that power line up there. It's partially what's actually partially supporting this tree at this time. This stalk of bananas is extremely heavy here. For those of you who've never harvested a stalk of bananas is extremely heavy. So once I actually whack the stalk of bananas from this tree, I won't be up here on this table that long. I'll turn around to face the camera, show you this stalk of bananas. I get down, move closer to the tripod, give you guys a close-up again view of the bananas. And then we'll move around to our front porch where I'll give you guys a close-up view once I actually wash these bananas down good, remove all of these brown flower tips from the tip of all of our bananas. I'll give you guys a close-up look of what our stalk of bananas looks like at that time. Hang tight. Get you guys up here in this frame. All right, let's see where we at here. All right, I got you guys in view pretty much here. I'm probably going to be sort of in the frame while I'm harvesting these bananas, but you guys pretty much get the picture. At this point, I'm just going to grab my machete here, get up here and whack those couple of leaves out of the way first, and then I'll go ahead and whack that stalk of bananas from this giant Cabernet banana plant. Hang tight. Grab my stalk of bananas here, just below that first hand of bananas there. I'm gonna whack the stalk off about right there. Spin around, show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll move around to our front porch. Whoa! As I told you guys, a stalk of bananas is extremely heavy. This particular stalk nearly took me off of this table once I whacked it off of that plant. But again, our harvest of giant Cabernet bananas here, completely organic, no GMOs, no chemical fertilizers, no none of that crap. Just organically grown bananas right here in Grow Zone 8B in the city of Tifton, Georgia. Let's see if I can hold this stalk up close to this camera. show you guys what we have going on. This thing is heavy to say the least. And at this point, again, I'll get you right around to our front porch. I'm gonna wash these bananas down thoroughly, remove all the brown tips, and I'll bring you guys back in about 5 minutes to show you what our giant stalk of giant Cavendish bananas look like. Hang tight. All right, Green Thumb Gardening family, we're back. And this Green Thumb Gardening family, this is what our gigantic stalk of homegrown giant Cavendish bananas growing right here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia looks like. Now that we have them washed down, completely dried and laid on this table out here in our front yard garden extended grow area. Take a look at this. Bam! Isn't that a humongous Green Thumb Gardening family, a humongous stalk of bananas that we grew right here again in the city of Tifton, Georgia, Grow Zone 8B. It took us approximately 16 months from start to finish to grow the tree that produced this humongous stalk of bananas. And we couldn't possibly be more pleased by the results. Don't they look fantastic? Thanks for watching. And if indeed you currently are watching this video on harvesting our gigantic stalk of Cavendish bananas from our backyard food forest, and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please take a moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, Green Thumb Gardening family, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, harvesting organic, homegrown bananas from our backyard food forest. Thanks for watching.